Hey, it's Raymond here at the UMI Performance Race Shop with another product spotlight. I'm here in front of our 1052 subframe connectors, suitable for 2005 to 2014 Mustang. These 100% bolt-in connectors are just that. They go in with bolts in the front and on the rear trailing arm mount. They feature 1.75" 120 wall heavy-duty tubular construction. They fit in the exact factory location, and they actually tuck up in really nicely so you can barely see them when they're on the car. They stiffen the car, keep the windshield from creaking, keep the doors from falling down, and just in general make for a better, smoother ride. If you have any product related questions about any of the things you see in our videos, you can email us at sales@umiperformance.com. And if you have any technical questions, we're always available at support@umiperformance.com.